Aloha kako. Um, this is my horizontal Langstroth Hive. Uh, Still have kind of a temporary cover on it, so it is what it is. And I made another one that was not with the Langstroth measurements, and now for now on I will only be making Langstroth horizontal hives. I do have regular hives. This is just the one blue box on top of a stand. I have another hive over here. Actually, in this box right here, I have two hives. I have one hive on this side, and I have another hive on that side. And today, I'm gonna look at the one on this side because it's brand new. I caught a swarm, and it turned out that I didn't get the queen, but for some reason the swarm stayed in the box, and I put some eggs from this hive into there, and the last time I checked they had 3 queen cells to make a new queen. So we're gonna go check to see if the queens have hatched real quick. So before I have to turn off my video, here's the hive. Yeah, this right here is a separator to separate them from this empty part of the box. Never mind the pukas on the bottom. That was an experiment that didn't work. Okay, that was for like small hive beetles. Okay, so here we are. I have like this little cover thing going on. Looks like I smashed. Got some small hive beetles in there. Okay. The hive that we're looking at is this second frame. Looks like we better do some smoke. Sorry about the intrusion. It's starting to rain. Ooh, the queen cell has hatched. What about these ones? Ooh, hatched. Well, I don't know about the other one. Looks like they already tore them down. But we have 2 hatched queen cells. So they're still gonna have to go out and get laid. So I just checked like a couple days ago, so these queens are still brand new. I don't know too much about their flight to get laid. Yeah, but that's it. Mahalo for listening, guys. There's my other hive in there. They're a full hive. They're taking up almost half of the hive. Mahalo for listening. Aloha. Can't get this to stop without my real finger.